In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a multilingual website in Squarespace. First, open your Squarespace dashboard and head to the site you want to work on. This is your control center, where you'll add pages, adjust navigation, and preview changes. Make sure you're in the correct site if you manage more than one, and consider switching to preview mode in another browser tab so you can quickly see how updates look to visitors. Next, decide whether you'll create translated pages manually or use a translation tool. Manual translation gives you full control over tone, terminology, and design, which is great for brand consistency. It takes more time, but you can tailor every word. A translation tool or service can speed things up and may help with automatic language detection, but you'll still want to review everything for accuracy and style. Think about your site size, budget, and how often content changes to pick the best path. Now, add the language versions of the pages you want on your site. The simplest approach is to duplicate each page and rename it with the target language, organizing them clearly so you always know which version you're editing. Keep the structure consistent across languages. If your main language has home, about, and contact, mirror that order and naming in every language. Consistent slugs or folders, like using clear language identifiers, make it easier for visitors to recognize where they are. Set up navigation so visitors can switch between languages. Add a visible language toggle in your header, top navigation, or footer. Make sure it's easy to find on mobile as well. Link each toggle to the matching page in the other language, not just the home page. So switching keeps people on the same content in their chosen language. Translate the content for each language version. Update text blocks, buttons, form labels, image captions, and any on-page messages. Don't forget page titles, descriptions, and image alt text. Keep dates, numbers, and currency formatted for each locale, and preserve brand names or product names as needed. Aim for clear, natural phrasing rather than literal word-for-word translations. Review the multilingual layout and links. Scan each page to ensure headings wrap correctly, fonts support special characters, and spacing still looks good. Click every internal link, menu item, and button to confirm they point to the correct language version. Finally, publish the site and test each language version. Use a fresh browser session to check the language switcher, scroll through every page, submit any forms, and verify titles and URLs. Fix anything that feels off, republish, and you're ready to welcome visitors in multiple languages.